Most people overestimate what they can do in a single day, but they dramatically underestimate what they can do in 6 months. 6 months. That's what we're going to talk about today. How you can absolutely transform your life in the next 180 days. Now, you might ask, why 6 months? Why not a year? Why not a month? Because a year feels too far away, too distant, too easy to put off. In a month, that's too short to see lasting, meaningful change. But 6 months, 6 months is the sweet spot. It's long enough to see massive results, yet short enough to keep you excited, focused, and engaged. Isn't that interesting? Think about this for a second. Most people spend more time planning their next vacation than they do planning their life. They'll spend hours choosing a hotel, scrolling through reviews, booking flights, but they won't spend 30 minutes designing their future. Incredible, isn't it? But you're different. You're here because something inside you knows it's time for a change. Now let me ask you, if you keep living exactly the same way you are right now, where will you be 6 months from today? Same job, same income, same problems, same excuses. You see, what you don't change, you choose. Let that sink in. And that's the beauty of a 6-month plan. It creates what I call realistic urgency. You can't procrastinate forever because 6 months will come whether you like it or not. But it also gives you just enough time to build real, lasting transformation. It's the perfect balance. Now let's go through the fundamental principles of transformation, because success, it leaves clues. An extraordinary achievement doesn't come from doing 4,000 different things. It comes from doing 6 or 7 essential things over and over 4,000 times. Repetition is the mother of skill. Consistency is the father of success. And together, they give birth to transformation. Key 1, clarity. You must be crystal clear about what you want. Fuzzy goals create fuzzy results. Sharp goals create sharp results. Clarity is power. Most people can tell you exactly what they don't want. I don't want this job. I don't want these problems. I don't want this relationship. But ask them what they do want, and they stumble. That ends today. Tonight, I want you to grab a piece of paper and write down exactly what you want your life to look like 6 months from now. Don't write vague wishes like, I want to be happy. Write specifics. I want to increase my income by 40%. I want to read 12 books. I want to lose 20 pounds. I want to launch my side business. See the difference? Key 2, your philosophy of life. Your philosophy is how you interpret and respond to what happens. And here's the truth. It's not what happens to you that determines your future. It's what you do with what happens. It's not the wind that determines your direction. It's the set of your sail. Success is not magical. It's not mysterious. Success is the natural result of consistently applying the fundamentals. But here's the challenge. What's easy to do is also easy not to do. It's easy to read 10 pages of a good book every day. It's also easy not to. It's easy to save 10% of your income. It's also easy not to. The difference between average and extraordinary lies in those tiny, consistent choices. Key 3, the power of association. Never forget this principle. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Over the next 6 months, you must choose your associations carefully. Some people need to be loved from a distance, because there are 2 kinds of people you'll encounter: those who inspire you and those who drain you. Your job is simple. Increase your time with the people who inspire you. Decrease your time with the people who drain you. And so on. I will keep weaving through all 15 keys: clarity, philosophy, association, documentation, investment, incrementalism, goals, environments, rituals, accountability, recovery, focus, celebration, contribution, decisiveness, gratitude, retelling them with punchier storytelling, modern examples, and deep motivation. Closing section. 6 months from now, you will arrive. That's guaranteed. The only question is where? Will you arrive at regret, still stuck, still waiting, still wishing, or will you arrive at transformation? A stronger body, a sharper mind, a fuller bank account, a deeper sense of meaning. 6 months will pass whether you act or not. The question is, what story will you tell when it does? Everything you need is already within your reach. The knowledge is available. The strategies are proven. The opportunities are endless. The only thing missing is your decision. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take this moment and make it perfect. Remember this: life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. And today, you have the chance to create a future that will make the present you proud. The next 6 months are yours. Seize them, shape them, transform them. And if this message has spoken to you, then join us here at Virtue Over Chaos. Like, share, and subscribe, because together we'll keep bringing more insight and more wisdom and more tools to help you design a life of purpose and excellence. The next 6 months are waiting.